English for Kids TV presents The Colouring Book. Hi, we are in the toy shop again. We coloured in a lot of vehicles before. A fire engine, an ambulance, a tractor, a moonwalker, an aeroplane, a train, an ATV, and a tank. But we still have a lot of toys to colour, so let's continue. Look at this submarine near the fire engine. Grey, light blue, yellow, brown. A submarine has a periscope to look above the surface of the water, and it has a propeller to move through the water really quickly. Just look at that. Here's a helicopter. Light blue, green, red, blue, grey. It's on the top shelf near the ATV. Let's colour that in. Unlike aeroplanes, helicopters fly vertically, up and down, like this. To be able to do that, helicopters must have very big propellers. Truly amazing. Well, what else can we find in here? Ah, here's an estate car. Let's colour it in. Orange, light blue, red, grey, light grey, black. This kind of car is also called a station wagon. It has a big rear door and lots of space in the back to carry big objects. Objects like a TV set. Oh, we've forgotten the robot. Let's colour him in now. Grey, yellow, brown. The robot has wheels on his feet. It's great fun to play with him. Look at him move.